Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. My name is Vibhu and I'm enrolled in Georgian College in Fitness and Health Promotion Program. I'm going to talk everything about my field placement. I've done 2 placements in Barrie. One is at Finest Fitness Gym and other one is at Bayshore Home Health Center. First semester gone well and with not much pressure. I didn't know that we have to do internship in second semester. And the time when I get to know, I didn't started looking for it at first because I thought everyone would be willing to keep volunteers into their place, but it was not the truth. I applied to the placements online, but I got disappointed when they replied that they do not hire volunteers. Then I started cold calling randomly to many places, like community centers, gym, rehab centers, and health clubs. But some people replied that they already have enough volunteers of 3rd and 4th semester, so they can't hire me. Then I gone to places with resume, and after so much effort, I got the placement at gym. So I would suggest to start finding a placement in the beginning of semester. I got my first placement in the month of February at Finest Fitness Gym. It is located at Lennox Drive in Barrie. I have mentioned the website for you. I've done my placement in the evening time. It is a commercial type of gym where personal trainers hired their own clients and helped them in fulfilling their goals. Personal trainers treated their clients very politely and in sandwiched manner so that the clients do not feel bad and for their motivation, which keeps them coming regularly into the gym. My second placement was at Bayshore Home Healthcare. It is located at Blake Street, Barrie. I've mentioned the website for you. I've done this placement in the morning time at 7 a.m. In rehab center, the people are gone through surgeries and are unable to do their work by themselves. Some patients cannot even stand by their own to take a glass of water. I felt really glad to help them in their daily lives. My first goal was to accomplish trust in my clients, and which I was able to do so by making a connection with them. My second goal was to accomplish good congruence skills, which became better by repeating it with my clients. My third goal was to accomplish good listening skills, which I gained by paraphrasing and after listening to the clients carefully. My fourth goal was to accomplish good communication skills, which I attained by communicating effectively and almost regularly with the clients. My fifth goal was to accomplish team management skills, which was helped by employees in accomplishing it. I got my first placement at Finest Fitness Gym by going into the gym and directly meeting the supervisor. I carried my resume with me to go into the placement and the certification of first aid and CPR was needed there. For the placement at Bayshore, I applied online and gone through a long phone call interview. In Bayshore Home Health, they needed TB vaccine results, Tamiflu, so that the communicable diseases won't affect us. First aid and standard CPR and a background check was needed there. I succeeded into getting my placement at the places I wanted. I learned many things from my placement, like team management skills and taking care of patients. My placement was like a career spotlight. That's what I am going to do after graduating. After my field placement, I know the places where I can work and how can I get work in future related to my field. There are different responsibilities at different places. At gym, my responsibility was to follow and observe personal trainers and watch them that how to train different type of clients and help them in fulfilling their goals. At Rehab Center, my responsibility was to take care of clients and help them in their routine activities, which they were not able to do so by themselves. I missed some things at workplace. I wanted to see clients after fulfilling their goals, but because my placement was finished, I missed that. Moreover, I wanted to train a client by myself, but because I didn't have the authority and certification to do so, I missed that opportunity. I wanted to make corrections in the technique of people when they were doing wrong exercises, but because that was a commercial gym, I was unable to do so. My placement was awesome, but instead of doing my next placement at commercial gym, I would like to do my placement at YMCA gym because it is a non-commercial type of gym, and this gym prefers co-op students to come and learn into their gym. If you are a morning person who can wake up at 6 a.m., I would suggest to apply at Bayshore Home Health Care Center. But if you are an evening person, I would highly recommend you to apply for Finest Fitness Gym. Thank you.